So you may be asking yourself, do I need to speak with an attorney before I start the business? And the answer is no, not really. You don't have to, but there's a lot of challenges that you can't possibly anticipate, or maybe some that you can, but don't have a creative solution for, that an attorney, a world-class attorney who specializes in innovation, specializes in businesses, that can have for you. So while you don't need to speak to an attorney to form a business, right? Whether you want to go to some online site like Nolo and form your limited liability company or your corporation, there's a lot of steps and a lot of things that you should go through to make sure that your business is optimized. Now, the ultimate question is, optimized for what? Most people go into their businesses wanting some form of exit in mind. So what do I mean by that? Whether their exit is an internal exit, meaning you're going to create a partnership or a group with a bunch of like-minded people, and then ultimately you want to be bought out from that business, or you want some employees to step up and give them ownership interest and for you to almost quasi-retire as they continue to kind of pay out on the business that you've created. Or you want to pass the business on to your legacy, right, and have a succession plan, have your children take over your business, or to just be bought out from an external source, like a venture capitalist or some private equity firm that's going to buy you out. Most people go into business with an exit in mind. And in order to make sure that you arrive at the destination, your ideal exit of where you want to be, you're gonna wanna have an attorney who's gonna ask you these questions. They're gonna ask you, what is your destination? What is your ideal exit? What does all of this ultimately mean? How do we do this? What do you want out of it? The second step that an attorney is going to take you through is they're going to help you to construct your business, right? Construct your vehicle to get you to that ideal exit. They're going to ask you questions like, how do you want this organized? What kind of, decision making should there be? How is profits and how are losses going to be determined inside of a business? And as a result of that, with your ideal exit in mind, with your ideal outcome in mind, you're going to be able to design your business in a way that an attorney can help guide you to. Once you're doing all of those things, attorneys can also serve very important purposes. They're not just about conflict resolution, they're about business optimization, tax optimization, and your acceleration, right? Your vehicle taking you to the place that you want to be can encounter many bumps along the way. So if you need someone who's going to help you with influence, that's going to help you to overcome those perfect storms that are going to get in your way, an attorney is invaluable to help you anticipate those kinds of challenges and help you to overcome them, or to help you to maximize your sales and your mastery and put you in touch with people that they have relationships with. So in a lot of different ways, using an attorney to start your business gives you a lot of advantages that you may not anticipate. And sometimes lawyers are just expensive and they don't do a great job and they don't have great deliverables. But if you're working with an attorney that clearly sets the expectations, that clearly sets the outcomes, that's able to help you to design your ideal exit, that's going to be there to help you construct the vehicle, to construct the business itself, right? The business operations, and then to help you to accelerate it so you ultimately get to the purpose, the fulfillment, the freedom, the money that you're trying to encounter. Those are the types of people that you want to bring into your business early and often to help make sure that you're headed in the right direction and that you've set yourself up to get to the right direction. In that regard, you want a world-class lawyer to help you and an organization that understands these types of challenges. In this regard, contact me. My name is Michael Smike and I'm here at Callaghy Law. We'll answer this question or any other questions you have with your business organization, whether it's a question about your foundations, whether it's a question about your corporate governance, whether it's a question about your innovations and your intellectual property, your relationships, your contractual obligations, or the environment, right? The corporate governance, the regulations and compliance that you need to meet to have your business be optimal and to get you to your ideal exit, whether it's more money, whether it's more fulfillment or your purpose, or it's more freedom. My name is Michael Smiken. Contact me directly. I'm here to answer this or any other question for you.